What checks-up and maintenance can be scheduled to help prevent unexpected machine downtime? To answer that, we need to separate into two scenarios: life before machine pre-diagnosis and life with machine pre-diagnosis. So if you walk into the production line nowadays, you will still see a lot of data input from manual way. And we will see like spreadsheet or whiteboard and make the maintenance reporting, downtime reasons checking day by day. But however, those manual errors is not that accurate, and some of time the operators will rush into the situation that they doesn't know what happens and when it happened and where it happens. So it is very time consuming and mind numbing if we do the reactive maintenance from 24 hours and 7 days. So we need a digitalization of the machines to give the maintainer a pre-diagnosis techniques. What benefit we can give to the operators? First of all, we can conduct the cost-effective maintenance techniques, and we improve the traceability of process. Also, we want to see every detail of the machine condition related to the maintenance, so we can monitor the maintenance task from end to end in the real time. Alright, so let's see from the solution architecture how we increase the reliability and uptime. TPN with maintenance in the middle as a bridge to connect from the ground. First of all, we can see the plant floor. We want to monitor the different types of machine in real time, like PLC, controllers, or even just single sensors. And with the data available, we would like to monitor some specific parameter that related to the maintenance task. And we can monitor those tasks on the mobile or on the web-based. So the good and well done maintenance job will increase the production total output so that the order fulfillment can be increased, and so the business owner will gain their profitability. Alright, so let's take an example to see how our customer use the pre-diagnosis process by implementing 4 steps. First of all, our customer has 70 CNC machines on the shop floor. And we would like to, first of all, to see which controller they have and to connect the parameter in the setting. Second, step 2, we can set up those parameters in the maintenance notifications. For example, our customer would like to count the production output and also to calculate how many operation hours it has been running. Also, some key parameter like temperatures or spindle rate will be also monitored, because that related to their maintenance behavior. And that's step 2. In the step 3, we will dispatch the maintenance job to the operators to execute the service and to report and track every project and every task on the mobile. In the end, the supervisor can see from the dashboard how many machines is monitoring and how many jobs have been done. Let's dive into some more detail regarding to the dashboard. So first of all, we have the overview for the supervisor. They would like to see more and more machines on the production line has been managed and in the real time. So we will see, okay, we have several machines and what's the average output, average maintenance time it has been taken. It helps management to understand whether the equipment can run normally and stably. Also, after the site overview, we would like to see some ranking by prioritizing. First of all, we can see the repair task. We will see in this week and next month what will happen in the future so that we can prepare. And also, we would like to see where happen the most repair and maintenance job on the which floor or which production line. And also, by seeing the machine spec and the machine types, we can also see what types of machine it happens the maintenance the most, so that we can do further improvement or to do the preventive maintenance in the end-to-end. So by seeing the dashboard, not only not only the monitoring, we will also need to do the job on the shop floor. So we offer you 2 main platforms. First is web-based back-end stage, so that you can configure, you can manage, you can dispatch the job. And also during the execution process, we have mobile service to notice and to report by our operators. And it is very easy to use and interface friendly. Some key feature, for example, let's take one slide as example. In the daily, you would like to select the machine you want to maintain, and you set up the schedule, operators, and to set up the job. You can see this is only 4 steps, so you can digitalize the whole process and keep tracking on your dashboard. Alright, so if you are still suffering from the machine downtime and you want to keep all the maintenance and preventive strategy in digitalizations, welcome to contact us, and we are ready for you. Thank you.